You sit down to study, laptop open, book ready, pen in your hand, and within 30 seconds you check your phone. Not because you're lazy, because your brain has been trained to avoid silence. Think about it. Every day, your mind is flooded with short videos, notifications, messages, music, infinite scrolling. Your brain never rests anymore, and slowly, focus starts to feel painful because studying is different. Studying is slow. No flashing lights, no instant dopamine, no quick entertainment, just effort, and your brain hates that, not because something is wrong with you, but because you've trained your mind to expect stimulation every few seconds. That's why students can watch TikTok for 2 hours, but struggle to study for 20 minutes. One gives instant rewards, the other gives delayed rewards, and modern brains are becoming addicted to instant gratification. But here's the scary part. The more you avoid deep focus, the weaker your attention span becomes. It's like a muscle. If you never train it, it disappears. So how do you fix it? Simple. Start rebuilding your focus slowly. Study for 10 minutes without distractions, then 20, then 30. Put your phone away. Let your brain feel boredom again, because boredom is not the enemy. It's the beginning of focus. And once your brain relearns how to be still, you'll realize something powerful. You were never incapable of focusing. You were just overstimulated. And in a world full of distractions, the ability to focus has become a superpower.